Oh, what a beautiful day. Now that I got the mask on DVD, I can finally watch it. Don't watch it. Who said that? Just don't watch it. It has that scary New Line Homer Entertainment logo. If it's scary, trust me. Oh my gosh, there's a ghost on a very close bucket. So now you told me it has a scary New Line Homer Entertainment logo on it? Just watch, you see for yourself. Well, yeah, I'm gonna look at the back. What? Just put a disc in the DVD player, just watch it! Fine. Seems like I have to do everything around here. Ooh, And I don't know why the disc is transparent, but who cares? And of course, this movie is rated PG-13. Alright. See how scary this logo is. Well, here's the menu. And thank gosh there's no previews. So now let's play the movie. Alright, here we go. Oh no! What's annoying? Oh my god! Oh no! Oh no! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh no! 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 Not the alternate fair! Oh no! 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 Ah! Ah! Told you!